good. Well done. So what is the risk ahead?
Park cars.
Right.
So the speed. Oh.
No
I can fit
chance. No chance.
No.
Okay. Right. Go around a little bit more. Look how much space are we using. Let's park your car to the left for me, please. Just there for me. So that is the whole point. As you were going around,
Okay.
instead of looking on the floor, your eyes are looking as far as you can see, and you can see there were 2 cars parked. That's one thing you saw, isn't it?
Yeah.
You also need to ask yourself, was the road wide enough or not? What do you think?
Oh, well, I thought it was, but I guess it wasn't.
Okay, well, you done it now.
Yeah.
So if you would have gone, would those traffic coming would have slowed down because of us, you think?
It didn't look like it was, so no.
You think you don't? Okay.
Yeah.
But when you did go on around it, how much road have we occupied over there?
Yeah, quite a bit.
So, because the amount of road we occupied, do you really think that they're able to go easily and you're able to go easily as well?
Also, I thought we'd be able to go if we both went slow, but I don't know my spacings as much.
It's obviously it's early stages there. Now, 2 things. So if you need to go past those vehicles, and if you're going 30 miles or 25 miles, how much space you have to give from the side?
A meter.
But you have got a concession if you're going slow, let's say 15 miles or less, depending on the road situation, then you can give slightly less space.
Yeah.
But that is the question mark, how much less space?
Okay.
About half a door if you can. Because anything less than half a door, that means that your wing mirror and their wing mirror may touch, which we can't afford to do that.
Okay.
That's very important. Okay. Yeah. Why you think when you're going slow, you should be very careful? Any idea what is the risk when you're getting slightly close and going slow, park cars? What is the risk involved there?
Feeling nothing but just grinding against each other.
That's one. Or what if somebody opened the
doors?
Think about that as well, though. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,